I have a little exercise to prepare you for lifting your feet up off the ground and balancing on one foot. And this is kind of preparatory. So if you're still feeling like you need to keep both feet on the ground, then what we're going to do is we're going to practice shifting weight back and forth from one foot into the other and just lifting part of your foot off the ground. So we'll be practicing lifting the heels and then lifting the toes. So you're still keeping part of your foot on the ground, you're just practicing lifting some of it up while the other part is grounded. So this is what the exercise looks like. This is based on hold the ball. All right, so you're just gonna shift your weight from side to side, just kind of swaying your hips back and forth like this. And when you get on your standing leg, then this is what we're going to do. Lift your heel of the opposite foot. So bend your knee a little bit so the heel pops up off the ground. And then put your heel back down. Lift your toes up so they're off the floor. And then put them back down. After you do that, then shift your hips over so that your weight is over the leg you were just moving, your feet. Okay, so now this leg is free. Lift your heels by bending your knee. And then put your heel down, lift your toes. Put your toes down. Shift your weight over. Lift your heel up on the other foot. Put your heel down. Lift your toes up. Put your toes down. Now take your hips. Shift them over to the other side. That frees up this leg so it doesn't have any weight on it. Lift your heels up. Put your heel down. Lift your toes up. Put your toes down. Shift your hips over to that side. Okay? Other foot. Lift your heels up. Put your heels down. Lift your toe up. Put your toes down. Okay, shift your weight over. Do you understand how this works? So just going heel, toe, shift. Heel up, toe up, shift. Heel up, toe up, shift. Okay? Heel, toe, shift. And we just go back and forth with that little exercise. That'll help prepare you to be more ready to eventually lift your heel up and your toes at the same time. To lift your toe up and your heels at the same time. It'll help you to learn what it feels like to have your weight all the way in one standing leg and freeing up the opposite leg so that you can lift your heels and your toes up off the ground. So go ahead and practice that as a warm-up, and hopefully that'll help you be more prepared to stand on one leg.